So the top 5 tips for choosing your windows as we understand them. Number 1, the window type. Remember, there are lots and lots of choices on the market. Opening outwards, casement windows, tilt and turn windows, sliding sash options. Of course, they will all come with different thermal performances, and they'll all be designed to have a certain level of performance. Investigate that with the people that you're inquiring with.
Yeah, thermal performance, we've spoken about it a lot, but the lower the U value, the better. Building regs, they are just that. It's a regulation, it's not a target. You can get well below if you just do a little bit more digging and look to invest a little more.
Number 3, the acoustic performance. We're surrounded by pollution in this country. Noise pollution is just one of them. So having a higher decibel rating will ensure that you're letting less noise into your home and having a more peaceful home.
And the carbon footprint, as we've mentioned, we're all going to be tasked to try and reduce carbon footprints. It's going to be good for the environment. It's going to be good for your pocket. Again, yeah, look for that increased thermal performance.
And triple over double. Now, we mentioned about windows that are designed for double glazing becoming triple glazing, or windows that are designed specifically for triple glazing. There is a big difference there, but triple glazing is very much the standard now, and it's becoming more and more prevalent across new builds. So it's there, it's a standard, you can have it now. As Dan said, dig a little bit deeper, and you can certainly reap the benefits of triple glazing.